An emotional guy. Mr. Onion is an emotional fellow. He gets upset and often cries. Poor Mr. Onion sobs all the way through sad movies.
Oh, I love a good tearjerker,
he wails. Mr. Onion even makes the pages of all his books soggy with his tears.
This story is so touching,
he sobs. Mr. Onion loves listening to the kitchen radio too, but as soon as the sad song comes on, he sets himself off.
Wah!
Mr. Onion could really do with some cheer. Some light-hearted fun ought to dry up those tears, says Miss Broccoli. So the vegetable pals take Mr. Onion out for the day. They do everything they possibly can to keep him happy. Suddenly, tears well up in his eyes and he starts crying.
They're tears of joy! I'm just an emotional guy,
he sobs. Couch Potato gets going. Mr. Potato is very, very lazy. When the other veggies are leaping out of the vegetable rack, he is still asleep. And when they are sneaking out to go on an exciting adventure, Mr. Potato is just lounging around. Today, the Veggie Pals have decided to go out and play. Would you like to come, Mr. Potato? They ask. You really are a slouchy, grouchy couch potato, Miss Carrot says, making a silly face. The vegetable friends decide to try out the new trampoline in the garden. Mr. Potato watches his pals through the window. They're bouncing, grinning, and giggling. Whoa! Whee!
Wahoo! Boing!